See, today's video, I'm going to talk to you about why you have not made any sale on the internet. Why you have not been able to make one kobo from the internet. People have been saying there's money on the internet. People have told you a lot of things, that they make $1,000 in a day, they make $250,000 in 2 hours, they make money in affiliate marketing, they make money in trading, they make money in forex, crypto, domain flipping. They mention different kind of things that they are money on the internet. They make money from YouTube content creation, blogging and all. But you as a person, you've been trying this stuff, none of them is working, and because of that, you've not been able to make any single sale. It has been a burden for you. In today's video, I'm going to address to you particularly, specifically, why you've not been able to get a sale or you have not been able to make anything from the internet. The major reason is because you as a person, you have focused so much on getting a lot of information. Each day you wake up, information. You watch videos, you watch tutorials. Today you are doing affiliate marketing, next tomorrow you are doing blogging. The next day they will tell you that it is now survey. You do survey. The next day they will tell you it's trading, you do trading. So because of that, if you work in this place, 1 day, 2 days, you don't see money, you jump to this one, 1 day, 2 days, you don't see money, you come back and 1 day, 2 days, you don't see money. Somebody tell you there's a new one, you run there. At the end of the day, you have nothing to show for it. The secret of making money on the internet is for you to pick one area, pick one thing you want to do, then focus on that thing, give it your everything, work hard, put all your energy, motivate yourself, because sometimes it will be frustrating. Even when nothing is happening, just remain there, be consistent, be aggressive and passionate about it. Ginger yourself, put pressure on that thing until that thing begins to fetch you money. You do it to the point that you now know how this thing works, you understand the whole system. Then, after you have started making money from that, you can begin to explore other areas. I know what I'm talking to you about. If you look at my channel, I make a lot of videos. I make videos on crypto trading. I make videos on affiliate marketing. I make videos on how to do stuff. Now I'm talking about things that would inspire you and all. The reason is because I already know myself. Everything I teach, I have done them. I know where the money is. And there are some things that I know that I will not do again because I've grown beyond that level. You understand? So there are some other things I'm now looking at. I'm pursuing now. There are some things that I've known them, I know how to do them, I know how to make money from them. If the need arises, maybe I need urgent money, I can do. But there are some things that, I'm now pursuing because the level I am, the growth I've gotten, I cannot be focusing on this stuff. They are too low for me. It's not from the place of price, it's from the place of after a period, you begin to grow. When the growth comes, you leave survey for some people. You don't do survey anymore. When you want to do affiliate marketing, you target companies that pay you in dollars. You look for good products. You don't just waste all your energy in affiliate marketing anymore. When you want to trade, you look for high quality trades. So you might take 1 or 2 trades in a week and you're good to go. You're not desperately pursuing money. Then if you want to learn a skill, you look for high paying skills. The one that is way, way better than some other skills. For example, now I've really delved into the tech space. Because I can't stop learning. I've made learning a lifestyle. I can't stop learning. So how do you make your first money on the internet? I've given you guys a secret already. The first thing, there are many ways you can make money. Just out of everything that have been written, if you go on Google, you search for how can I make money on the internet, you are going to see a lot of articles. You're going to see 20 ways you can make money. Should I tell you the truth? All the 20 ways, they work. Whether you trade forex, you flip domain, you do affiliate marketing, you do CPA marketing, you start a blog, you start a YouTube channel, you sell products online, you do Amazon Kindle and publishing, you do print on demand, anything you choose to do, copywriting, content writing, virtual assistant, everything they pay. It's true. But the problem is you are not putting your energy in one place. Every day you do this one, you stop, you do that one, you stop, you do this one. Today you want to learn crypto, tomorrow you want to learn affiliate marketing, next tomorrow you want to learn domain flipping. Every tutorial you watch, you just want to. The problem we have in this generation is that we have a lot of information and we have little focus. So what you do is, at a time, you pick one, you put your energy in that one, you put pressure, give it consistent time, give it like 3 to 6 months. If after 3 to 6 months you see that you're not making progress in this thing, you have not been able to grasp it, it's not giving you result, then you can close that one permanently, switch to another one that you think you can do. You put pressure in that one, you continue to work hard until you begin to see the result. That is how this thing works. So let me just share my story, because people love story. They want to hear, how did you do it? Then I was working in a radio station. Then I quit my job. I left and everything. Anyway, back and forth. I left the job and I needed to move to the next phase of my life. I needed money. Because I know how to MC, I was doing MC gig. COVID came, there was lockdown, and the whole world was shut down. I had not finished my contract, because then the company, they were doing every last Saturday of the month, they were doing a particular stuff for their customers. So I was always the MC, 2 hours, they pay me 100K. And when COVID came, they had to scrap it. I started looking at my life. How will I make money now? Fortunately for me, I had friends that they have idea of how to make money on the internet, and started moving with them, and they started teaching me things. The first thing I did, I'm telling you guys everything honestly, the first thing I did was I started writing. I was writing on blog. No, before then I needed money when I spoke to my friend, he said, guy, you have to get a domain. So I did not even have money to pay for a domain. Then a girl that I know, the girl was on Fiverr. She was working on Fiverr. She used to get a lot of gigs. This girl was even my junior in school. She just reached out to me one day, like, hey, I know you, can you write? I said, yes. He said, okay, I have plenty work overload on Fiverr. I need somebody to assist me. I dropped my pride. I took the gigs. I wrote like 3 articles for her, whatever. They gave me like, is it 20K, 15, 20K, thereabouts. I used that money. I used it to host domain on Hostinger. So I had a blog. Then I started writing on the side for Opera News Hub. And I was making small change. There was a time they even dashed me extra $25 because I worked hard. I'm going to tell you a secret formula, secret one, to how to succeed on the internet. I worked hard. Then I now started my own blog. I started writing in my blog. Along the line, my Oga, the guy that I was telling me about internet, his name is, I call him Boss. My Oga, that's why I call him, but his name is Dominic. His name is Dom. He's a very nice guy. I still respect him till today. I don't know if he will see this video, but even if he doesn't, he knows. When I look at my journey and how far I've come, I cannot not but thank him. He was like, oh, you need to learn how to build a website. So he gave me tutorials on YouTube. That was when I started learning how to use tutorial. You see this YouTube that you are, there is no content you are looking for that is not here. It's your ability to filter the content and your ability to sit down and learn. That tutorial was 10 hours tutorial. I spent almost a week learning 10 hours tutorial because, I have to watch to a particular point, and as I'm watching, I'm doing the guy built a website using WordPress, right? And he used Elementor to build the website. So that was how I learned how to build a website with WordPress. I was like, wow, okay. And then I learned that one. They started teaching me how to make landing page and bridge pages for affiliate marketing, ClickBank. Yeah, that was the first time I heard about ClickBank. This, my mentor, helped me contact somebody in Germany. The person helped me create a ClickBank account. I created a Pioneer account, and he said there is money in ClickBank, but you can make the money through adverts. If you want to do paid traffic, if you make money from free traffic, you can convert it to paid traffic and you make more money. So left to me, I was like, okay, what am I doing with my life? I dedicated 2 weeks. And yeah, he told me, he said, if you are using free traffic, you will make sales, but nobody know when the sales will come. I said, okay. Said, if that is the case, if it is possible for me to make sales, and then the money you make in dollars, right? I decided to put work. I told myself something. I said, nobody will work harder than me that I know in this ClickBank. So in the night when people were sleeping, I was looking for products. I was making thumbnails on YouTube. I was, doing landing page. I was pushing traffic from Twitter, from everywhere. I worked hard. And people that told me that it would take lots of months for me to begin to get traffic, in the space of 2 weeks, I made my first sale. The name of that product is BioRhythm. I made $50. I did not believe. And then the exchange rate was 500. Is it 350 or? I think it should be 350 that time to $1. And I look at that money, I'm like, are you serious? I put pressure. In the space of like 2 days later, another sale came, the same product. And before you know, I made $200 in the space of 1 month. And I'm like, wow, is this true? So I started putting pressure. I started working hard. And before you know, I started making sales. So I learned affiliate marketing with hunger because I was hungry. I needed money. With passion, with drive. So when I made the money from affiliate marketing, every day I'll just come and give them this. I just made $25. I just made $50. The thing was so interesting. I was enjoying it, like, man, so this is me making money from the internet. And I realized this thing, it's not about who works the hardest. You know, if we're talking about hard work, the guys that sell pure water in traffic, they are pursuing vehicles, they work harder than us. It is about the knowledge and the consistency. And one key thing, you must believe, you must have aggressive faith that I must make this money. A lot of you, you know there's money on the internet, people have told you, but you don't even have the faith, you don't believe at all. You can't make that money like that. And you must be consistent. Whether you feel like you don't feel like you need to show up. That period, if I'm not lying, I'm telling you guys the truth. If he sees this video, he's going to attest to it. Then I used to stay in his house while I was learning. In the midnight, he will wake up randomly, maybe to just want to ease himself or to drink water, and he will come to the living room. He will see me designing, making stuff. Before he slept, I was working. He woke up, I'm still working, and he's like, Victor, you know, go sleep. Go and sleep. But I knew I needed to succeed in this thing. I needed it badly. So I made my first money on ClickBank, and then I learned affiliate marketing. So let me tell people, I tell people sometimes, I say, even if I lose everything today, I can start from the scratch to get to where I am. So I was making money from ClickBank, and I noticed that a lot of guys were teaching us free content on ClickBank. I'm like, why are they teaching us this thing on YouTube? I can't be teaching these secrets. I did not know YouTube was paying. Then I also discovered that YouTube pays people to create content. Then I also switched to YouTube. My friends were the one that told me about dollar arbitrage. I started doing naira to dollar arbitrage a long time ago, before you guys. Then we used to use bank ATM, GT Bank, all those banks. I'll call my friends. You know, they don't use their card, their limit. We use it to buy, what do you call it? Cryptocurrency. Then we swap it. We buy it in CBN rate, we swap it, and we make exchange. Then every week, we were making money. We're making money because, I was in a circle of people that knew what they were doing, and I was desperate. I was pressing. It is true, my friends, again, I learned about product design. I started doing user interface and user experience design. You see, a lot of you, the reason you're not making money is that you're channeling your energy to the wrong thing. You spend more time criticizing a video than rather following what the person has taught you. At least try the process and see that it is not making results. I took a guy tutorial this week. He paid for a one-on-one class this week. And after everything, when I finished with him, if he sees this video, he's going to comment. He said, sir, a lot of people have scammed me on the internet. But no, what you have taught me, I know this is true. Because I taught him the secrets of the affiliate marketing, everything, in 6 days. And we just like we're working just 2 hours, 1 hour, like that. And I'll show you straight to the point. This is how you do this. When you know it, it becomes easy. You can teach anybody. But a lot of people do not believe. They do not put in the work. I know the kind of secret things, quality stuff I've given you guys on this channel. But people will be like, well, sir, what is... some people get carried away by screenshot, fake screenshot. When somebody tells you, I made $742,000 trading. The person did not tell you how much he used in opening the lot size. The person did not tell you other things. It could be an edited screenshot, but you get carried away by screenshot. Instead of you to respect the person that is telling you, I just made $100 this week, and that is all. I made $10. See, the thing is, you need people that know the truth to teach you the truth. The number one thing, you need to focus on one thing you want to learn. Number two, you need to look for the truth. Look for the truth. Pay the sacrifice to get the truth. And number three, you need to die there. Die there. If you're not making money on the internet and you think you're poor, it's because you're not hungry enough. There's money on the internet. Money keeps exchanging out on the internet. But the internet is not a place that you make easy money. There's a price. There's a price. There's a price. I know a lot of people that are encouraged to start YouTube channels. Some of them, they told me they couldn't do it. They do not believe in themselves. But today they've gone far in this thing. And when I watch their growth, I'll be like, wow. See, for you to get anything out of this world, there's a level of hard work you put and consistency you put that the universe have no choice but to reward you. I know the reason I'm telling you guys this. I want to encourage a lot of young people. There's so many ways you can actually do legitimate stuff, but you have to pay the price. You have to be disciplined. You have to put in the work consistently. You don't need to cut corners. This is how I'm going to end this video. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. If you find any form of value in this video, please leave a comment. I'm going to do it to reply everybody when I'm free. Bye for now. Alpha Wolf signing out.